What? You got the new Lost Spaghettis? Please, can I index it?
You're not scamming, right?
No.
Okay, you can index. Okay, you can give it back now.
No, I can't.
Give it back.
No, go away, please, or I call the cops.
Bacon boy, I need your help. Bacon girl took my new Lost Spaghettis.
Okay, but I'm not helping for free.
I let you index it if you help me.
Okay, deal. Bacon girl, come, I want to show you something.
Okay, let me lock my base first.
No, it's no time for that. Let me index now.
Okay, give it back now.
Sorry, no more screen time.